Hey guys, Mencha here, and today I'm going to show you a track in a deep house style. It's something like a deep house or dance, I don't know, but the track is really commercial. I used this track as a reference. It's called FAVIA Alex Alta and BONDDISCO called Illusion. By the way, a really cool track. I'll leave the link in the description. You can listen to it, but I didn't want to use it as a reference, a full reference. It's just something like an inspiration for the sounds, bass, maybe vocals, etc. I decided to make deep house, something like more maybe a romantic one. So anyway, let's listen to it and then I'll explain what I use in this track. Let's go.
I hear the call of the sirens calling me into the night, and I can find them. I answer the call of the sirens. All the things you said, messing with my head, secret enemy. Look what you've done to me. Call me unaware, now I'm in despair. I thought I knew better, when will I be free? Na 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 You've done to me. Call me unaware, now I'm in despair. I thought I knew better, when will I be free? Na 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 na
So what do you think about this track? So let me explain what I use in this track. Let's start from the rhythm section. It's a kick, then we have a clap, something like a shakers, open head, in the breakdown section we have snaps, in the bass section we have a sub bass and mid bass. By the way, here we have 4 layers of the mid bass. I wanted to make a more fat deep bass, and I decided to use Serum and Nexus here. Also we have texture. A really cool texture, I like it. And the main thing here is the guitar. I used guitar first and then I built the rest, other instruments, harmony, melodies, etc. It sounds like that. cool sound, really cool guitar, really cool sample, I mean, from Splice. Also, I wanted to make a piano. To make a bit set shapes here. Also we have pad. We have roads here. It's, maybe you can call it keys. Sounds like that. And we have the melody section. It's something like a question and answer, something like that. I used the first part of the melody by my own, and then I decided to use a saxophone in the second part of this drop. And I decided not to use this part because this is a saxophone section, and it sounds really cool, I think, because we have something like two melodies in one drop. Here we have vocals. This is filtered vocals, and we have something like a verse and a chorus.
I hear the call, all the things you said.
Sounds like that. And then we have a fixed section. Here we have riser, then reverse crash. Also we have a crash, sweeper, and something like a down effects. And also I decided to use these fills, but I decided to cut this one and make a bit other fill, other snares here. It sounds something like a customized fills. Yeah, this track, I don't know, maybe in deep house style, someone call it dance, so I don't know. For me it's a vocal commercial track with a bit romantic, maybe sad mood. By the way, I like the minor harmonies of this track, and I really like more minor music than major. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, what do you think, guys? If you want to know how this project look like inside with all the procession, what I used here, you can check the link in the description to my Patreon page. By the way, you can find a lot of projects that I showed on this channel. By the way, I started to produce these tracks on my other channel, a bit other language, but anyway, you can dive in the process, how to make the track and this style. By the way, I started another channel, and this video something like 1 hour long from scratch. You can check it. Maybe you want to see how I made it with all the procession, etc. So anyway, feel free to see the description section. Yeah, something like that. So Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.